Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn on or turn off the new track notifications in your Steam application 2025, for example, on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so for this method, navigate to the Steam application and click into Steam in the top left and access your account settings. Now inside your account settings you won't find this feature anymore in the music tab here at the bottom. As you can see, they restructured that section here, so you won't find the new track notification here anymore. You will need to navigate to the notification center, and here guys you can switch by clicking to that drop down menu, switch from anytime to never for notification here guys. So you can customize that and switch from anytime, which is a default setup, to never, and that's it. That will disable the sound for notifications, and that's basically it guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.